Hey y'all, this Nick, and right now I'm at work, but I just want to come outside and show you guys we're currently getting hit by Hurricane Francine. I live in Mississippi, in the metro area, and I was just letting you guys know. I'm gonna flip the camera and show you guys. We haven't got the worst of it yet. The worst of it is supposed to hit at 7, so yeah. But you see, guys, like we getting like some rain, some heavy wind. See the trees blowing in the rain, heavy wind. It was raining all night, but like it was like sprinkling. But they said the worst of the storm is yet to hit. The worst of the storm will hit around 7, and I'll come back then. But right now, this is Hurricane Francine, probably tropical storm now, but y'all get the picture. Try to get y'all a little visual. Y'all see slime blowing. Trying to get y'all like a little view of what's going on. This is Hurricane Francine, guys.